Let's look at how to take action on orders in post-sale. Selecting orders is the first step to getting things done. To get started, select the orders you want to work on. Once you select an order, it stays selected until you deselect it. You can search for orders and select them, then search again to select more, or select orders within your filters until you've selected all the orders you need. When you select orders, a new filter called Selected Orders appears. This filter shows the total number of orders you currently have selected and provides an easy location to view and interact with all your selected orders. Now that you know how to gather your selected orders, here are some tips to speed things up. Check or uncheck the box next to an order to add or remove it from your selection. To select or deselect all orders currently loaded in the grid, use the All Orders checkbox at the top of the column. This method selects the rows currently displayed per page, shown in the Rows per Page menu located at the bottom right corner of the Orders grid.
Click the X in the Selected Orders filter to quickly deselect all of your selected orders. This method is useful when you have selected orders across multiple filters and not all of your selected orders are currently displayed in the grid.
Want to save even more time? On a desktop, hold down the Shift key to select multiple consecutive orders, just like the first and last orders in the range. Want to double-check your selections? Switch to the Selected Orders filter to review your list and to remove any orders you don't need. Once your selection is ready, it's time to take action. You can prepare shipments, print packing slips, update order statuses, or even generate return labels for all selected orders. Want more post-sale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Post-Sale YouTube channel and to check out the Post-Sale blog.